Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Current Catalyst. In today's video I will discuss about Neeraj Chopra's recent achievement in Doha Diamond League. Neeraj Chopra, the India's javelin star, breached the 90 meters mark for the first time in his career in Doha Diamond League held on May 16. With a throw of 90.23 meters, he became the first Indian and the third Asian to achieve this feat in men's javelin. Here are the key highlights of the event. Although Neeraj Chopra breaks his previous record, but he secured second position. The winner is Julian Weber from Germany with 91.06 meters. Anderson Peters from Grenada is at third place with 84.65 meters. Jan Zalesny is Neeraj Chopra's coach. Neeraj Chopra is honored with Lieutenant Colonel rank in Territorial Army. His previous rank was Subedar Major. MS Dhoni was given the title of Lieutenant Colonel in Territorial Army in 2011. The honorary title allows limited ceremonial participation in military events. Thank you.